Dyson has beaten the woods. It was so amazing. It was so mad. Oh fuck it, destroy it!
Fuck me. Fuck me. Jesus Christ. What is this thing made of? What the fuck is this? On earth? Not even a dent in it.
Maybe stronger than I thought on video. Oh, it's starting to die now.
Yeah.
I really thought this was flimsy because the plastic was really creaky.
Jesus.
Do you know what's funny, Sean?
What?
This easily broke, but this part is like really taking the shunt. So why didn't it do that the other day when I slung it?
Still in shot, yeah?
Yep.
Maybe we need something stronger. Is there anything stronger?
Alright, we'll be right back, folks. We're going to get something stronger. Right, folks. I got a pole as well. We've both got poles, we're both going to destroy it. 3, 2, 1. Finally!
Bang!
Cut the filter.
I'm just trying to figure out how to destroy this fucking thing here. Careful, you almost whacked me.
Still working. God, it's so tough, it's putting a dent into the steel.
What is this bloody thing made of?
It's supposed to be made of plastic.
What is this fucking thing made of, man? Yeah, ladies and gents, this fucking thing,
Do you know what amazes me about this, Sean?
What?
This is not made of strong plastic, but yeah, again, it can't even suck up dirt.
Well, I guess that's one good thing we can say about it, is that it can take a good fucking beating.
Kinda. It's like half of it's made of plastic and half of it's made of steel.
I know.
Look at that, folks. Piece of shit, that's what it is. Well, it looks like you can't destroy a Hoover with 2 big poles.
Nah, I think we need a hammer or something to destroy this, something which we don't have.
But, let me see if you can see that from the camera. Not much damage. Considering it was smashed several shits out of it. A bit of cracked there.
I think maybe if we had something stronger, folks, we would have put what's the name, got a real number on it.
It's really strange because on my extra channel it showed a lot of creaking before I smashed it to the ground. This still works. I don't know what that bit's for. Oh yeah, it's wow, that is amazing. I mean, it's made out of very strong material, and then this bit is not very strong. It's made out of plastic, but it's not. Oh, here we are. There's some cracking. Interesting. crack it more. I don't know if you can see that.
Another hard part is keeping it the fuck still.
Huh?
Another hard part is keeping it the fuck still.
That's probably why it's so strong. There you go, a nice extra weapon for you. This is going to be the strongest material I've ever been near. It's supposed to be plastic as well.
Note to self: buy a hammer in future when destroying products.
That's interesting. That is very interesting. This plastic was crinking and all sorts. I thought it'd be so easy to smash.
And we know it was flimsy as fuck. Well, the button came off at least. And look at this, folks. This is the most damage we've done to it. The button just came off. Must be, I like pressing down on it.
That was the flimsiest part of it. That easily broke.
Use that as some kind of stress relief. 10 more years, just 10 more years.
I mean, listen to that, folks.
It sounds flimsy.
It does. The way it sounds.
I guess looks and sounds can be deceptive.
I have no idea, folks. Let's see. Oh, I think I know why that bit now is not very is a strong material. Because I think because of the battery and shit that's in there. Let me just get a screwdriver, which is from the
You're barely in shot.
Oh look, there is some damage, look. Bottom here, look. It's actually damaged. It's interesting. It's interesting that bit got mangled. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that hit the ground more. Did that hit it? Oh look, there is a bit of plastic falling apart now.
It's taking forever to come apart though.
Maybe it's firecrackers. Nothing. No damage. That was...
That's probably the only good thing we've got to say about this fucking thing, is that it's technically indestructible.
Jesus, I mean, look, I mean, a tiny little nick out of the big wax that we've gathered.
When it comes to cleaning, it sucks. When it comes to bloody destruction, holy shit, it could withstand a lot.
This will make a good little battering ram for me. But, yeah, basically, don't buy Dyson shit. Maybe this is too light to smash things. What do you reckon?
Pardon?
What do you reckon?
You mean the poles are too light to smash it, you mean?
Yeah, what do you reckon? Do you think they're...
Yeah, I think they are a bit light to smash them. To be honest, the poles are suffering more damage than they are, to be honest.
Not that much damage. Most of the damage is from that George Fosking grill he destroyed the other day.
Oh yeah. We should have recorded that. That would have been epic. See all that plastic flying everywhere.
It was made out of the most shittiest wire.
Yeah, the George Foreman had a sort of like plastic, what can only be described as a plastic eggshell in it. When I smashed it with this, folks, the eggshell, I didn't expect it to disintegrate so bloody easy, and I didn't even put any strength into it. It was like literally like dum, like that, like not even a tap, and the fucking thing came apart with a hollow steel rod, nonetheless. I don't know if you can see that, but it's definitely hollow.
Looks like it's made out of that material, plastic, where it can't be destroyed. Maybe we're not hitting it hard enough, but...
Or maybe we just got shit weaponry to destroy it with.
Well, this is an idea that went wrong, folks. I was hoping that this would be easy to smash apart.
Yeah.
Considering that it makes the most horriblest cringe in the world.
And to all you Dyson fanboys, okay, keep your fucking arrogance to a minimum, please.
Keep your dicks in your pocket, folks.
Yeah. All it took was a screwdriver.
Am I in shot?
Yeah, hold on, let me get you in. Aha!
God, this plastic's horrible. Horrible to pry and horrible to destroy. It would help if I unscrewed it. So this is not really a tutorial on how to fix your crappy Dyson piece of shit.
But more or less how to destroy it.
Turns out I don't have the right screwdriver, so I'm going to have to do it myself with 5 seconds. I don't see the point of screws. Just use, you know, plastic moulding or something. Because then you can easily get into your piece of shit Dysons. Fine there. There.
That's the board, I take it.
Yeah, and that's the max button.
Holy shit. Most indestructible piece of kit we've ever come across.
And Dyson is very, very happy to make the territory looks. It says Dyson on the board.
Fucking hell, Dyson.
Such a pussy man. Right. Come out, you piece of fuck. Ooh, nice capacitors. Shame we won't be using that anymore.
Snip it off and show the lovely people at home. The light's still shining up. He's pressing the button. You don't even see it, but the light's still brightening up. Look, see?
It even has a green light to tell me that there's a fault with the board.
Yeah, fault. There's definitely a fault, all right.
Yeah, I think there's more than a fault with this thing.
Guess we're not going to destroy it with the plastic, but more or less with the screwdriver and...
Plastic is fucking... They're steel, this shit.
Guess we're not going to destroy the plastic with the... So then...
And it also shows in the UK, if you just get a piece of metal from, you know, Audi or wherever the fuck it is, you know, that's from your table and shit, you can make a nice dangerous weapon. Anyway. Don't tell David Cameron. Anyway, yeah, I think there's more than a fault with this board. Right, where's the snippers?
Snippers are in the cupboard, I think.
You know, this worked 5 minutes for us, so literally 5 minutes. And you're saying this is a good fucking product? Good enough to take the beating probably of 2 near strong people?
Show the motherboard to the camera, dude. Hold it up close.
As you can see, this is the capacitors. Dyson's imprinted their name right there.
Like a dog pissing on grass.
This is obviously the boost button.
Actually, they've done it twice, look. Engraved their name.
Basically, this board has to be very pretty. I might even hang it up in my destruction attitude. But that's it, really, in that board. Obviously, that button on the back is for this thing, which doesn't do a very good job in my opinion. The motor's in the back here. What's really impressive about this, I might even just sell the motor. Probably get some money for it. Get some of that shit out. This was very disappointing because I was hoping it would just smash it.
I know, I was expecting plastic pieces everywhere, but no.
Wow, they put installation on over it. Look at all that rubber shit coming off. That's to dampen the sound, I think.
What is that?
That's the motor.
Oh, okay.
I was expecting a puny little motor, but it turns out that the... Oh, I see what they've done. They've put a plastic around it to make it look even more bigger.
Oh, so it is puny then.
It's a puny little... The motor size is very small, in fact. It's about that size, folks. If you're listening to Dyson, small technology doesn't mean you're going to get a big suction out of it. Okay. Obviously, the motor. But yeah, very interesting, to say the least, the button here.
How the hell is that still operating? I don't know if you can see it, folks. Hold on.
It's gone green, which means it's got a big fault or something. Oh, I've just smashed it.
I thought when the motherboard and the motor were cut out, it fucking wouldn't even work.
Yeah, it doesn't work, but I can connect it and it'll probably spin. But I need to know the voltage of it first, but you see what Dyson did on the this model is they have sealed the battery like Apple because people were replacing the batteries so easily. They didn't want that obviously and decided to take it out.
Sorry folks, just trying to make sure my foot isn't bleeding. This thing here royally fucked up my toe. Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah. Do you know what the heaviest part is? This. The motor. And there's hardly any fucking motor in it. So yeah. Oh, God, that's greasy. So yeah, basically that's what's inside one of these things as well as destroying it. Looks like to me that this is the strongest part of it. These two are the strongest parts. This thing is made out of the weirdest plastic. Is it plastic? Feels like a very strong material. Well done, Dyson, that's the one thing I can applaud you about.
This is the one thing we can applaud you about.
The suction is really terrible.
The suction is terrible, cleaning power is terrible, but the smash proofing is unbelievable.
Well, kind of, unless you're like me and I just slung on the floor and emptied all that fucking crap onto the floor. This part here is the weakest. I don't know what they're thinking. I don't know what they're thinking. This thing just easily flew off. Ooh, it is very calming. Anyway, fuck this. It's been long enough. See you later, folks. Cheers. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
I'm gonna go get some ointment for my foot. See you later, folks.